Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Paramount Plus Watch Party to watch shows and movies with friends remotely, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up and enjoy synchronized viewing. Step 1. Check if your Paramount Plus subscription includes Watch Party features. This feature availability may vary depending on your subscription tier and region. Step 2. Open your web browser and go to ParamountPlus.com. Log in with your Paramount Plus account credentials. Watch Party is typically available on the website, not the mobile app. Step 3. Browse the Paramount Plus library and select the show or movie you want to watch together with friends. Step 4. Look for a Watch Party icon or button on the video player screen. Step 5. A unique Watch Party link will be generated. Copy this link by clicking the Copy Link button, provided by Paramount Plus. Step 6. Share the Watch Party link with your friends through email, messaging apps, or social media. All participants must have their own Paramount Plus subscription to join the party. Step 7. When friends click the link, they will be directed to join your watch party. Once everyone has joined, the host can start the video and playback will be synchronized for all participants. Step 8. During the watch party, all participants can use the chat feature to communicate while watching. The host controls playback, but everyone experiences the video at the same time with synchronized pausing and playing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.